If your video isn't exporting into Descript, yeah, that can be super frustrating, especially after editing everything. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection, because Descript relies on cloud processing for exporting. Next, close and reopen Descript. Yeah, sometimes a simple restart fixes export issues instantly. Now, review your export settings. Make sure the format, resolution, and file name are correct. If your system is overloaded, close other apps to free up memory and CPU, especially for larger projects. Make sure you're using the latest version of Descript. Outdated versions can cause export bugs. If it still fails, try exporting a shorter section of your video. Yeah, this helps identify if the issue is with a specific part, and that's it. These steps should fix most export issues in Descript. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.